Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we have to start chapter number 8, and the topic of the chapter number 8 is the introduction to algebra. Before starting the algebra, we have to introduce you some terms which we have to use in the algebra. First one is a sentence. A sentence is a set of words or symbols that conveys some meanings. It means this is a combinations of the words, and these words convey some meanings. For examples, 4 is less than 6. It means 4 is less than 6 or 6 is greater than 4. 2 and 2 make 4. It means when we add up 2 and 2 we have to get 4. This is a sentence. Next one term is the statement. A sentence that is either true or false is known as statement. It means a sentence which is true or false. 3 plus 2 we have to get 5. It means this is a true sentence, and this one is called the statement here. Next one is the open statement. In an open statement, all the information is not available. It means a statement is given here, but having some value is missing. Which one value we have to put it here to make the statement is true or false? We have to replace this one with the English alphabets from A to Z. We have to use it here, but we have to use these three letters X, Y or Z. We have to write in that form. 3 multiplied by y is equal to 12. This is called the equations, because in this statement having the equality signs and the English alphabets which we have to call it, this is called the variables, and this one is the complete statement here. And the values which is written with the variables, this is called the coefficient, and this is called the variables. And the values, the number which is given in the equations, this is called the constant. This one is not change. This one is called the variable, because this value is change. When we have to apply it here, when we have to put the different values of y, we take the different answers from these equations. So that's why this is called the variables. Next one, when we have to combine, this is called the 3y. This is called a one term here. Next one, we have to take another values 5xy, and we have to take another values. This is the 4xyz. These are the terms here, and positive, negative, multiply and division sign, these are the arithmetic operations here. And the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, which is carry on. We have to use, when we have to use this one fundamental operations in between these values, in between these terms, we have to convert it into the means 3y plus 5xy plus 4xyz, then this is called the algebraic expression. And in this algebraic expression, when we omit the fundamental operation which we have to use positive signs here, we have to omit this. We have to convert this algebraic expressions into the terms here. In this algebraic expressions, we have to use it here the three terms, 1, 2 and the 3 terms here. And next one is the like terms. Terms that having the same variables, like that 3x 5x minus 2x, these all are the like terms. Next one is the unlike terms here. Oh no. Unlike terms means the terms which have the different variables here. 3xy minus 4xz minus 3xyz. These all terms are using the different variables here, so that's why we have to call it, these are the unlike terms. These all are the terms we have to use it in the algebra. I think so you have to clear all the points. Students, if you clear all the points, you have to easily solve the exercise. Okay, thank you so much.